It's merge time. Hey, Pepperoni, are we gonna win today?
Nope, we are not on the same team anymore. I'm gonna win, not you.
Can we, still work together sometimes? Of course. Oh... Okay, guys. Today's contest is going to be to stack these microwaves up the highest. After 30 minutes, whoever is the highest gets immunity. Go!
Easy peasy.
Oh boy. Can we work together for this project? Alright, sure. Stand on top of me and I'll give you a boost so you can reach higher on the stack. Okay. Whoa! Peanut? Peanut, hello? Or are you up there? Need some help here? Yes, please. Where's Peanut? He was just with me, but I'm not sure.
Murderer!
What are you talking about? What? I swear it was an accident. Save it for the judge. There's nobody here to believe me. I gotta keep stacking. I can't get out. I can't get up for elimination.
You murderer!
You know it's not true.
I know nothing.
You just see me as a threat.
Hey, the body was found. There's nothing we can do. Later, Dahmer.
Time is up. The people up for elimination are Plastic Bucket with 0, Hair with 2, and Peanut with also 0, since, he was dead. The people that are safe get to vote.
I vote for Plastic Bucket, since she was right and she's a threat. I know she didn't kill Peanut, but I needed to make her look bad somehow. I play a pretty good act, eh?
I vote for Plastic Bucket. It makes sense that she killed Peanut and was trying to hide it. She wanted to win for herself and wanted one less person in her way. Honestly, I kind of believe Plastic Bucket, but I still vote her. She's the only safe option in this. This isn't a vote since, I'm up for elimination, but I just needed to say that I know she didn't kill me. I remember falling, but it's too late to confess now. If you're seeing this, Plastic Bucket, I'm very, very sorry, and honestly, it's all my fault. The first person safe is Hare, who collected no votes. One of you guys collected no votes as well, which means the other person collected all of the votes. The person with the unanimous boot is Plastic Bucket. I'm so sorry, Plastic Bucket. She didn't really kill me, guys. I fell while she was trying to help me.
I know.
What?
You heard me. I know. And I knew it before.
You jerk.
What can I say? An all-star out of the way of my $1 million.
Well, this is it. You all believe pepperoni over a trusted person with a clean track record. Unbelievable. Goodbye, everyone. And screw you, pepperoni. Ah!